What is it?
Holder.
Pot holder.
Pot holder.
Does it go on that hook?
No. No.
Can you cook something in your pot?
That.
Do you have a spoon to use in your pot?
That's the pot. That's all. That's all. It's good. What? Nice.
You got your stove on? Where's your fridge? That's your freezer. Where's your fridge? Down? Is the fridge the other handle? Yeah, there's your fridge. Where's your telephone? Where's your telephone? Is it on the side? Look. Look. On the side. No, around the side. Where's your phone? Look, stand by the window. There's your phone. You see it? Can you open the curtains on your window? Oh, how nice. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Turn around and say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Say love you.
Love